In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or invest into Vechain using the Crypto.com app. And right below this video, I do have the referral links for you can go ahead and get signed up. And you can also buy Vechain, you can buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and among others. This is Adam Shelton, and this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. And let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, if you have an Android phone or if you have an Apple phone, you do have to download the Crypto.com app. And right now, I'm just going to go log in. They give you you have to have a security passcode. And I'm going to log in right now, and we're going to go ahead and go and show you where you can buy the Crypto.com app. So let me go to the home area. So this is the home area of the Crypto.com app. And as you see here, these are some top gainers of the day. And you can see that right below your app as well. Now, if I click on show all favorites, I can show all the favorite coins that I currently have on my cell phone. Now, Vechain is right here. Now, if you need to search for a coin, I go to track, and then you can type in the actual coin that you're looking for. So I'm typing in Vechain right there. And then I look and see what Vechain is. I look and see what is done 1 day, 8 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and then 6 months. You can see this all on your cell phone, Android phone or Apple phone. Remember, Play Store for an Android phone, and then the Apple phone, the App Store. Right here it says Buy Vechain. You can actually look at some more information on here before you decide to invest into this. You can actually look at the market cap and 24-hour volume, and then exchanges that it does support. It does support Binance, so you can actually buy Binance for Vechain as well, and BitTrue among others. But Crypto.com I really like because it's really simple and really easy to use, and they have like a little short information about the actually coin. Saying it's 13th rank. Here's the market cap as well, 14.75 billion, and it has a little bit about what Vechain is all about. It's a leading global enterprise level public cryptocurrency and blockchain platform. And you just click on Buy Vechain. After that, what you want to do is set up your actually credit card or bank account right here where it says that cross here. Once you do that, your actually credit card will show up here, and then they're going to grade out some of the numbers here for security purposes. And then right here it says weekly limit. It shows you how much you can actually purchase on a weekly basis when it comes to VET or any cryptocurrency as well. So this limits up to $25,000. You can edit the card that says it from save card. You can do an edit right here. And then right here shows how much VET you want to purchase. So for an example, if I want to do 1,000 Vechain, it's going to cost $232.80 USD. So just based on your budget, you just put how many VET you feel like you can use in your budget. So 500 VETs, $116. It says buy 500 VET right here. And then that's it right here. And it also says, let me shoot weekly max amount. That's all good to go. And that's the credit card. Now you also purchase Vechain or any cryptocurrency that Crypto.com had from your crypto wallet. So if you have actually, funds from your crypto wallet, you can do also from your fiat wallet. So if you have money just in your actually, account through Crypto.com, you can actually invest money to your fiat wallet. So you can actually put money right to your fiat wallet. So you can do that. But usually the most common way is your credit card. The fiat wallet is another common way because I can say, I just want to add $100 to my fiat wallet. I can go ahead and do that, and it'll show up here. And then, because I don't have anything in the fiat wallet, but it'll show up right there. And I'll show you where you can get that here in a few minutes. So Crypto.com, credit card, and I just buy the VET. And from there, it'll give me, I'll show you, do a little study here. So if I did 10 VET, I'll show you. this is what it's going to look like. Here's the breakdown. The amount of VET is 10 VET, costs $2.32. 1 VET equals 23 cents plus a 7-cent fee. And here's the method of payment with Visa. And then also, and it costs $2.39. All I have to do is confirm, and then that's it. The next page, it's gonna ask me for my credit card verification, and then that's it. Then it goes right into your account, into your actually wallet. So that's how you can VeChain. VeChain, you can get VeChain. If you wanted to get Dogecoin, it's the same exact thing. So Dogecoin, you type in the coins you want, or sometimes they show up here based on if you have them already set up. So you just click on Dogecoin, the same exact thing. You can buy it. You can do some research on it in terms of what exchanges that it has. So you can look at that. You also can look at info. Well, basically about the actually coin as well. So you can look at that information there. And then just like we did with VeChain, just click on Buy Doge. And then the same exact way how you bought Doge is the same exact way how you will buy this as well. So it's really simple and really easy to do. And I do like it. I think crypto.com is really easy to use. It's pretty simple. So you just follow the same exact steps. Buy 1,400, it costs $1,000. And you can just adjust this based on your budget. You just pretty much adjust based on your budget. So back. And we'll go back to the home. Let's see if I can go back to the home. So yeah, and if I want to, let's see, there's another area here. If I want to, that's if you want to use your card, you can actually get rewards. You can send crypto to new friends, earn $25 for each new friend you refer. So that's also, it's another great deal that you can do. You can send crypto to new friends, earn $25 for each new friend you refer. So that's kind of a little bit of a perk. And I think that's about it. This is the card. You can also get the crypto.com card just right here at the bottom there. You can just select it and apply for that. So it's got some really great benefits. I'm just showing a little bit about the crypto.com card. And I think that's it. Let's see. And then if you're ready to trade, you can trade here. So if you're ready to trade some of your stuff, you can go buy and sell right here. But we'll do that in another video in terms of buying, in terms of selling it. But this video is about VeChain and Dogecoin. They did have XRP. They'll probably re-enlist XRP at some point. So I'm looking forward for them to do that as well. And then go to track and you just add them in here. See this little here. Let me see what that is. That's a notification. This is your notification here. And so what I would just focus on is just really just buying VeChain. Very simple with a credit card. I wouldn't worry about adding fiat wallets on this one here. I would just buy VET, be good to go. And that's all you need to worry about. Click on the link below, get access to the crypto.com app, start buying VeChain, Dogecoin, Bitcoin right now, today. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And this is because it's the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. And I'll see you on the next video.